Hello, Julio. I recommend you prepare rice with chickens. Go to the butcher shop. You must buy following ingredients. Go to the butcher shop on Linda Lane Strip and buy a pound of chickens. Then you go to the greengrocer. Go down the Malinda Road, raise 4 blocks and buy some fruit for the juice. And additionally, buy a package of vegetables. Then you go to the supermarket, go you down Short Drive, strip 2 blocks, and turn right down Raymond Avenue 2 blocks, and buy a pound of rice and bottle and sauces. How do you prepare the recipe? Steps. First, cook the chicken with a pinch of salt. Cook the vegetables, steam and cook the rice. Wash the fruits for use. After that, remove chicken from the stove, dry the water and let it cool off, and remove the vegetables from the stove. Then in other pot, shred the chicken, chop the vegetables into small pieces and add to the pot to mix with the sauce with rice. Finally, serve with the juice and enjoy.